You are slowly killing your channel if you always switch accounts to watch your video. When I came newly on YouTube, so many big creators told us to create 5, 10 accounts to watch our video after posting it. That it will make us to gain views, it will make us to gain a lot of watch hour, it will make the algorithm to push our video more. But without knowing that YouTube is too smart for that, because you know that when you watch your video, YouTube knows where you get your data from, where you get your watch hour from, your IP address. YouTube always check that before counting it as watch hour on your channel. You know that being a small creator is not easy. You are not making sense as long as you are not monetized. But when a big YouTuber says something, so many of us just jump on it without even making research and without knowing that so many just get lucky and they are where they are today. They just get their 4,000 watch hour without even going through YouTube process, without even knowing a lot about YouTube platform. So being a small creator is not easy. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 3 ways I gained my watch hour, because I'm currently at my 3,000 watch hour now. So I'm going to show you the best one by the end of this video. So if you're interested on this one, please watch this video till the end, because this last one I even got 20 watch hour at a go. So you need to watch this video till the end. Hi beautiful people, it's Becky here. Welcome back to my channel. Here we talk about tutorial and how to grow on YouTube channel. If this is what you are interested on, please hit the subscribe button to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video. The first one is having a viral video. See, if you have one viral video on your channel, that means you are so lucky, because viral video can make you gain a lot of watch hour. You can even use one video to get monetized on YouTube. But in this 2025, being a small creator and having a viral video is very, very difficult, because there are millions of videos being pushed on YouTube platform every blessed day. So posting your video as a small creator for it to go viral is not easy. Here is the possible way you can make your video to go viral, which is not 100% sure. Number 1 is by hooking people in the first seconds of your video. See, YouTube algorithm is now tracking video that people stick above 5 seconds, because that will make them to know that this video is interested. In this 2025, a lot has changed on YouTube. So YouTube algorithm wants creators that will bring people back to YouTube, that will hold attention, that will make people to continue watching. So in the first seconds of your video, if people click out on that video, YouTube will just dump that video, because they believe that your video is not making sense. So I always advise to make the few seconds of your video to be engaging, that people will try to watch it. You can just say a bold statement, or you can promise something at the end. Just make it in a way that people will like to stick on that video and watch at least 5 or 2 minutes of that video. So this is the possible way you can make your video to go viral. And when people watch that video continuously, like, the algorithm will pick the video and push it to more people. It will make people to watch it and you will gain a lot of views. So try and make the 5 seconds of your video to hook people, to make them to continue watching that video. So the second thing I did that made me to gain my watch hour is consistency over frequency. Posting every day is good, but it will drain you and drain your channel. If you're posting every day, you are not even having the time to edit that video very well. You are not even giving the algorithm time to watch that video, to know the people they are going to push that video. And when you are posting every day and the algorithm continues to push your video, they will push it to small people. And if these people did not watch your video, it will just hang there. They will not promote it again. So it's always good to post your video 2 to 3 times in a week. This is what I did. This is what I changed on my channel that made me to gain view. Get 2 to 3 days in a week that you are posting your video. It will make the algorithm to have time for your video, to know where your video is going. Make your viewers to know that this day, this person is posting video by this time. So if you're posting 2 to 3 times a week, you are giving the algorithm time, you are giving your audience time, and you are also giving yourself time to make your video perfect for people to watch it, for the algorithm to know that this is what the video is all about, and this is the people that needs to watch that video. It's not all about posting your video every day. It's about posting to 3 times a week and being consistent on that, that people knows that this day you are posting your video, this time you are posting your video. So this is the second thing I did on my channel. When you post that video 2 to 3 times in a week, YouTube will push that video to the right people. When the right people watch that video, they will continue to push it to other people. That is how you gain views and gain a lot of subscribers as well. So the last one, which is the best way I gained my watch hour, is through live streaming. Live streaming is very, very powerful. Imagine having 50 people in 1 hour of your live streaming. That is having 50 watch hour in 1 hour. So live streaming is very, very powerful. Even if you don't know what to do in live streaming, just be talking something, just be saying something maybe about your video. Find something that you'll be saying that is reasonable, that people will continue watching. And when you're coming back every day, you're showing up every day, YouTube is taking record, and people as well is taking record, because they will see your face that you are always here every day. Sometimes people will just want to hear what this person I'm seeing every day is doing, so they will stick to your video and watch. And when they started watching it, they will not go back. Anytime you are on live, they will come back. So if you are not going live, please try and go live, because one of my live streaming, I got 20 watch hour in 30 minutes. I gained 20 watch hour in 30 minutes. So that is when I know that this thing is possible. This thing that people are saying is possible. Even if you don't want to show your face, you can go to all these websites, Pizzo, and download some videos. All this public domain, you can just download it, pile it up, put music, all this free copyright music. You can put it on the video, just write something on it and use Restream to restream your video. So this is the way you can be able to gain your watch hour, to gain your views. When you are gaining your views, you are gaining your watch hour. But the main important thing is where you are gaining your watch hour from, so that not during monetization, YouTube will tell you that this one happened and the other one happened. So know where you are gaining your watch hour. Streaming your video is not a good one. If you are studying it, you know that these views are not counting. So this is all I have for today. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe, watch my video, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. See you in my next video.